Hi! In front of me is Lenovo TAB M10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this tablet. First of all, open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Now you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now select Allow in the pop-ups. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. Then you need to choose iOS Launcher. Click on Always and tap on Got it. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into Settings, scrolling down, choosing Apps and Notifications, tapping on Default Apps, and finally accessing Home app. Over here you can click on Smart Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!